Here's a 2017 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. Features include automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, front heated bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, active grille shutters, smartphone wireless charging, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Briarwood Ford has the best deals in the state of Michigan. Briarwood Ford is conveniently located at 7070 East Michigan Avenue in Saline, Michigan.